Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you all my updated Paimie slash Conkie recipe. You all told me you had a slight issue with the last one with it being dry, so I'm addressing all of that in this recipe. So I hope you guys enjoy the updated recipe and leave me your comments down below. I'd like to hear from you. So to start this recipe, I want to start by first showing you guys which cornmeal I'm going to be using. Now I use cornmeal, I don't use corn flour. This is what I prefer. If you're accustomed using corn flour, that's great, you could use that, but I like using this fine cornmeal. I'm going to add that to a big bowl, and you can use any brand as long as it's nice and fine. I'm going to grate in some fresh nutmeg, and I'm going in with some cinnamon. Feel free to add any other spices you would like. Now goes in, I'm adding white sugar, and I'm also going in with brown sugar. The brown sugar does change the color from a nice yellow to a more brownish yellow. So if you wanted it bright yellow, use all white. If you wanted it brownish yellow, use the brown. In goes coconut puree and pumpkin puree. And to that, we're going to add in our butter. I did add in a little extra butter, but you can add as much or as little as you want. In goes my vanilla and my coconut essence. And if you don't have these, you can use whatever essence you have on hand. This is a bay laurel. We're not using that. We're actually using pimenta racemosa, also known as bay rum leaves. So don't use the one that you use in soups. This is a special leaf. This leaf is especially used when you're making pone and paimie. It's great in it. If you don't have it, you can omit it. So give that a good mix, and then you want to taste. If you need more sugar, add more sugar and continue to mix it until it all comes together. Now to my banana leaves, which I already heated ahead of time, I'm going to add in my mixture, and you can see how nice and soft my mixture is. If you think your mixture is too soft, you could add some more cornmeal to thicken it, but this is the consistency that I'm going for. So I'm going to slightly or lightly press that, and we want to create that square to rectangle shape. Fold your banana leaves, and I like folding it in foil. It just helps to actually hold the leaf better. Also, if you can't find banana leaves and you don't want to use foil, you can use dried corn husks. That's another option. So once you finish folding your paimies, now this is done with the banana leaf. Let me show you guys how to do it with the foil. You're just going to place the foil, no extra butter or anything, and you're going to place the mixture on it. And you'll notice I'm not putting a ton load. So if I had to tell you, it would be like about a quarter cup of mixture is going on there. And I'm going to lightly press it into the shape. And you're going to fold it very neatly and secure the ends. You want to secure it well so that no water gets in there. We'll be steaming this, but you still want to make sure it's properly secure. And once it's finished, I'm going to place it in my pot. Now I made a makeshift steamer here. So I placed my wire rack at the bottom, and I have my water in there. If you have a steamer basket, that will be perfect, or you can boil these if you like. I'm just going to be placing my Paimie slash Conkie right over that, and I'm just going to place it around the ends. You don't want to submerge it in the water when you're steaming. Cover and allow this to steam on a low to medium heat for about 40 minutes. If you make these bigger or thicker, they will take longer to steam. If you're boiling them, they'll take about 20 minutes. So when they're finished, you want to drain them in a colander because they would have some of that steam. And then you can go ahead and open up your Paimie. Now this one is very, very hot. When you allow it to cool down, it sets up better, because at this point it's still going to be pretty soft. I love to use banana leaves when I make it because it gives it this really authentic taste, and those cement leaves in there, so amazing. The flavor and the taste you get from that cement leaf, amazing. And you have to remove the cement leaf, guys. Don't eat it. Just look how perfect this looks, and when it cools down, it's going to set up even better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this updated recipe. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me today and for always supporting me. Do remember to like, share and subscribe, and if you're having any issues, always remember you can email me your questions. Thank you again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.